Women want intimacy and trust to be able to be fully vulnerable and feel like they are in a safe place to fully relax and enjoy. Women want to be kissed all over their body. They want to be caressed slowly because this turns them instantly. Women want to listen to sexy music to set them in the mood. Do something to change the mood from normal to something hot. Touching her legs under the table at dinner can help send some signal to her to be in the mood. Satisfy women. It is not over just because you are done. Do not simply roll over and sleep. Women like a guy to take all of his clothes off before getting in bed. Most women, seeing a man's naked body makes them excited and turned on. Women love when a man smells good, especially with her favorite scent. It is super romantic for women when guys suck their toes and fingers. They love it when guys involve oral with fingers. This act takes everything to a whole new level. They can never get enough of it when men cuddle them, especially after sex. They want men to say their name. Women love hearing it, especially in bed. They really want to feel special, listening to a guy's compliment, telling them how special they are. Women like a vocal guy with a bit of dirty and sexy talks. This goes a long way to set them in the mood. It seems to be romantic and manly for women when a guy picked up and carried her to bed. Women enjoy long foreplay when he takes the time to make out with her and get her really aroused ahead of time.